Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Gorilla here, and in today's video we are going to talk about Space ID. We are going to break down why it's the ultimate one-stop shop for Web3 domains, how it simplifies digital identity across multiple blockchains, and why their developers' infrastructure is a massive game changer for the crypto ecosystem. So let's jump right in. Alright, if you have been in crypto for more than 5 minutes, you know that standard wallet addresses are a nightmare to read. Sending funds to a random string of 42 characters is stressful, and it doesn't give you any real sense of digital identities. Domain name services fix this by letting you map that long address to a human readable name. But as the industry has grown, a new problem popped up: fragmentation. We have Ethereum domains, BNB chain domains, Arbitrum domains, and so on. Managing your identity across all these different layer 1 and layer 2 networks became a headache. That is exactly why Space ID steps in. They built a universal name service network to seamlessly connect people, information, and assets across all blockchains. Space ID operates as a complete all-in-one Web3 domain and identity platform. Instead of bouncing between 5 different websites to handle your domain, everything you need is under one roof. First, you have the discovery and registration phase. You can search for a name and instantly see if it's available across multiple top-level domains like .ethereum, .bnb, or .arbitrum. Once you own your names, Space ID features a dedicated aggregated marketplace for trading. If you are an investor looking to flip high-value domains, or if you just want to consolidate your portfolio, you can trade and manage all your Web3 identities from a single portal. It strips away the friction and makes managing your decentralized identity incredibly efficient. But Space ID isn't just a marketplace for retail users. They are building the core infrastructure for the entire Web3 space. With the rollout of Space ID 3.0, they introduced a permissionless name service protocol. This means any Web3 community or projects can easily launch their own customized top-level domain without needing a team of dedicated blockchain developers. On top of that, they provide a Web3 name SDK and API for developers building social dApps, Web3 games, or DeFi platforms. Integrating digital identities used to be complex. Space ID's SDK simplifies this into a process that takes less than 30 minutes. It's already trusted and integrated by over 300 different partners in the industry. They are making it easier than ever for projects to ditch those ugly wallet addresses and give their users real recognizable identity. So that is Space ID, guys. It's a solid platform for managing your Web3 identity, trading multi-chain domains, and utilizing top-tier community infrastructure. You can find their link in the description below, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about Space ID in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.